Welcome back Car Review. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most futuristic and bold machines ever imagined, a next-generation Hummer concept that looks like it arrived straight from the future. This vehicle is a complete reinvention of what a powerful utility machine can be, blending aggressive design, ultra-modern technology, and performance that feels engineered for a new era. So let's get into the full experience of this incredible machine, from its exterior and interior to its performance and expected pricing. Right from the moment you see it, the exterior strikes you with a massive futuristic presence. The front fascia is unlike anything in the current automotive world. Instead of traditional lines, it uses sharp, sculpted surfaces with bold LED lighting elements that wrap around the body. The huge windshield flowing smoothly into the aerodynamic roofline gives it a spaceship-like identity. The midsection of the body is muscular with clean surfaces, while the massive wheel arches hint at extreme off-road potential. The lights are fully digital with animated sequences that make the vehicle come alive every time you approach it. The signature Hummer branding sits in the center, glowing with a soft, futuristic white light. Even the wheels look like they came from a high-tech electric truck prototype, featuring deep dish styling and integrated LED accents. Overall, the exterior combines dominance and elegance, making it impossible not to stare. Inside, the cabin takes the modern concept even further. As soon as the doors open, you're greeted by a wide, lounge-style interior filled with soft ambient lighting and premium materials. The dashboard stretches across the cabin as a single digital panel, giving you all your controls through touch and gesture inputs. The steering wheel is a futuristic rectangular unit with haptic feedback technology. The seats are designed like luxury cockpit chairs, offering not just comfort but also adjustable bolstering, heating, cooling, and even massage functions. The panoramic roof above brings in a flood of natural light, making the interior feel more like a luxury lounge than a truck. Storage spaces are smart and hidden, and the center console transforms electronically depending on whether you're driving off-road or cruising on the highway. There's advanced voice control, customizable interior lighting themes, and a full 3D navigation system that shows terrain, elevation, and even real-time vehicle load. When it comes to performance, this futuristic Hummer concept is imagined as a fully electric powerhouse. It's expected to deliver well over 1,000 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive, allowing unbelievable torque distribution for precise handling. The acceleration would be instant and aggressive, pushing you back in your seat the moment you tap the pedal. Off-road performance is taken to the next level with adjustable ride height, terrain scanning sensors, and an intelligent suspension system that adapts in real time. The range could reach between 500 to 600 kilometers on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. Fast charging capability would also be included, reducing downtime and making long journeys easier. Whether on rough trails or smooth highways, the ride is expected to be silent, stable, and powerful. As for price, since this is a high-end futuristic concept, a production version would likely start anywhere from $150,000 to $220,000 depending on variants and features. Special editions or extended range models could push the price even higher, making it a luxury performance machine for those who want something truly unique. That wraps up today's detailed review of this next-generation Hummer concept, a machine that blends bold design, advanced technology, and incredible power into a single futuristic package. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Car Review, and I'll see you in the next video.